Everyone knows Google dominates advertising, but there's a silent disruptor in the game, a company Wall Street once ignored, now challenging the king itself. The question is, will the trade desk take Google's throne or get crushed under its weight? Stay tuned, because what you'll discover in the next 20 minutes could change the way you invest forever. Quick context: digital advertising is a $700+ billion market and still growing. Most people think only Google and Facebook own it, but the trade desk is becoming the independent alternative advertisers need. Promise, by the end of this video, you'll know who's better positioned for the future of advertising and why one stock may be the smarter long-term bet. Google earns approximately 80% of its revenue from ads. Strengths: huge data, search dominance, YouTube ads, global scale. Weaknesses: regulatory risk, over-reliance on walled gardens, privacy changes. Simple breakdown: search ads equals cash machine, YouTube equals growing powerhouse, display ads equals competitive pressure. Google looks invincible, but history shows giants can fall when disruptors find weaknesses. Remember Yahoo versus Google itself? Or Blockbuster versus Netflix? The advertising world is entering that same cycle of disruption. Founded by Jeff Green, TTD is a demand-side platform DSP. Unlike Google, TTD doesn't own content. It gives advertisers independence and transparency. Revenue model: takes a percent of ad spend going through its platform. Key differentiators: open internet approach versus walled gardens. Unified ID 2.0, privacy-friendly targeting. AI-powered algorithms for better ad placement. Connected TV, CTV advertising, the fastest-growing segment. The trade desk is like the Switzerland of digital ads, neutral, independent and trusted. And in a world where privacy and transparency matter more than ever, that neutrality could be its biggest weapon. 1. Market share. Google, approximately 25% of global ad spend. TTD, approximately 1% but growing faster than industry average. 2. Growth Google, slower, mature. TTD, compound growth machine. 3. Innovation. Google, AI ads, YouTube, still strong but restricted by regulators. TTD, unified ID, CTV dominance, agility. 4. Risk. Google, antitrust lawsuits, dependency on search. TTD, competition, smaller scale, still proving long-term durability. David versus Goliath is real here, but remember, markets reward innovation, not size. Tesla wasn't the biggest car company in 2012, and look where it is now. Streaming is overtaking cable, arrow advertising follows. CTV ad market projected to grow 20% plus annually. Disney, Hulu, Peacock, and others rely on programmatic ads. TTD is a direct beneficiary. Google has YouTube, but the trade desk partners across platforms. Imagine owning the toll booth on every streaming highway. That's what the trade desk is building. Google's future: still dominant, but growth slowing. Heavy regulation may shrink profit margins. TTD's future: smaller now, but positioned in growing ad segments, retail media, streaming, AI targeting. Analysts expect TTD revenue growth at 20% plus annually, potential to be a 10x stock over the decade. Lesson 1. Don't just chase the biggest company. Look for growth disruptors. Lesson 2. Regulation can be a company's biggest risk, not competition. Lesson 3. Patience wins. Small players today can be giants tomorrow. Think about Amazon in the 2000s. Most investors ignored it because it wasn't profitable yet, but those who believed in its long-term vision became millionaires. The trade desk could be walking that same path. Google is the safe, stable, dividend-like giant. TTD is the growth-focused, riskier disruptor. Which stock you choose depends on your risk tolerance, but ignoring the trade desk means missing one of the most exciting growth stories of this decade. The future of advertising won't be owned by just one giant. It'll be shaped by innovation. And right now, the trade desk is proving it has what it takes to challenge Google's empire. So ask yourself, do you want to invest where the money is, or where the money is going? That decision could define your financial future. Stay smart, stay motivated, and make your money move. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.